How to contact DHL customer service. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to contact DHL customer service. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out DHL website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here on my Google, I'm gonna search for DHL customer support. And right here on the first website, just click this one, customer service DHL Philippines, and it will show you all of the all things that you can do to contact the DHL customer service. So first thing you can do is by using your tracking number to find your contacts to contact your service, because all your tracking numbers is located when you purchase something on DHL, and the feedback or the purchase feedback, you can see your tracking number there. But if you don't have, or if you don't have any idea how to find your tracking number, just click this view all tracking frequently asked question about tracking number, and it will show you a bunch of articles on what you can do to find your tracking number. And as you can see, if you go back, there's actually more options on how you can contact DHL service. As you can see, if you scroll down, you will see document and package DHL Express. So you can contact their emails right here. So for example, I'm going to contact the DHL Express service. So right here, this page, they will show me a lot of phone numbers that I can contact, or emails. All of that I can see all of that there. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can find the customer service of DHL, and that's how you contact them. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.